Before you can restore a car, you've got to find them. The best place to look is on the internet, barnyards and backyards, or any salvage yard. That's the best place you can find a good car for a reasonable price. But you have to find the right car. Not all cars make good project cars, like the one right behind me. Rule number one is you want to get a car that's within your means to repair. While this car looks like it's a full car and it's got all the parts you need, just some rust, it's not. This car needs a frame, it needs to have metal work done to it, it needs to have motor work done to it. It's basically a mess. We can repair it, most people can't. On the other hand, you've got a car like this, which is a 71 Mach 1. You put a motor in it, you put a transmission in it, some body parts on it, you don't have to make them, and you're basically ready to go down the road.
Another thing to consider when you're shopping for a project car is the availability of parts. Take this Chevy Chevelle. The Chevelles ran from 1964 to 1977, and they are hugely popular, especially this SS model. As a result, they are really easy to find parts for, and they can be worth some coin once restored. On the flip side, because they're so popular, they can be expensive even as a project car. So be sure to shop around and find the right one so you're not paying too much. Take this Hudson Hornet on the other hand. These are hugely popular because of the Disney movies, but they're really rare and impossible to find parts for. So if you get one of these, you're going to have to fabricate all your parts, which can be really expensive and is outside of what most people can handle.
Last but not least, you want to find a car that's running. It's a lot better to have to refresh a motor in the transmission than it is to go out and try to find one. And if it has a motor already in it, there's a good chance it's a numbers matching car. Numbers matching cars are worth a lot more money than one that isn't.
For our first project car, I've been on Facebook and found a 1949 Plymouth. The Plymouth isn't a hugely popular car, so I think we can get it for a good price. And I have a feeling Vince is going to want to do something crazy with it anyway. But first we got to go check it out and see if it's in good shape. So I'm going to go pick up Vince and we're going to head over to look at it.